Good morning, class 5. Hope you all are fine. Today we will do the reading of chapter number 16, Light. Now we see what is light. Light is a form of energy. Light travels in straight lines. These straight lines are called light rays. Light is a form of energy that made these photons. Photon is the smallest particles of light. Now we see how light travels. Light is a unique and travel both like a particle and in the form of waves and behave differently in different kind of mediums. Light travels faster than anything else we know about. Light travels 0.1 million miles per second. So, the distance between the Sun and the Earth is 93 million miles. But light takes 8 minutes and 10 seconds to reach from Earth from the Sun. Now we see what is reflection. When light rays fall on a surface, some of the rays bounces back. This is known as reflection. Shiny surfaces reflect more light than other surfaces. For example, mirrors reflect light because they have shiny surface. Light rays are straight. We can change their direction easily by using a mirror. Now we see what is refraction. Light is bent due to traveling through a different materials. It's called refraction. Now we see how light bends. Light always travels in straight line, but sometimes it bends. We proved that with an experiment. Take a glass and half it fill with water and place a pencil or straw in a water. Now look through the side of your glass. Look here, the straw looks bent when it meets with water. So prove that light bends when it travels from one clear substance to another. So this picture shows that the objects in the water look bent.